Hi everyone, Ricky here. Welcome back to our English lesson. Today, we're going to learn practical conversational English you can use in an American grocery store. Before you begin shopping, it's important to grab a cart. You may think you don't need one. Maybe you only came in for milk or eggs. But trust me, always grab a cart. Grocery stores are large, and you often end up buying more than you planned. A cart also helps you carry heavy items like milk, water, or large bags of groceries. Most American grocery stores are divided into different sections. Let's start with the bakery. Here, you can find birthday cakes, cupcakes, bread, and pastries. If you need something specific, you can say, "Excuse me, do you have birthday cakes?" or "Can I order a cake?" Some stores also have a kitchen area where they sell hot foods, such as roasted chickens. If you're looking for this section, you can ask, "Where can I find the hot foods?" or "Do you have roasted chicken today?" Many grocery stores also include a pharmacy. If you need medicine or health products, you can say, "Where is the pharmacy?" or "Can you help me find this medication?" There is usually an aisle for school supplies as well. You can ask, "Which aisle has notebooks?" or "Where can I find pens and pencils?" You may also see a section for greeting cards. If you need a card for a birthday or holiday, you can say, "Where are the greeting cards?" or "I'm looking for a birthday card." Now let's talk about basic grocery items. In many American stores, family staples like milk, eggs, butter, and cheese are placed in the back corners of the store. This is very common. Stores do this, so you walk past other products on your way to the essentials. If you need help finding something, you can say, "Excuse me, where can I find the milk?" or "Which aisle are the eggs in?" Most stores have a produce section. This is where you find fresh fruits and vegetables. If you need help choosing something, you can say, "Are these ripe?" or "Do you have any fresh ones in the back?" Next is the meat section. If you need assistance, you can ask, "Can you help me with the chicken?" or "Do you have this in a smaller package?" Now let's talk about prices and deals. If you want to know the price of something, you can say, "Excuse me, can I get a price check on this?" or "How much is this?" To save money, many shoppers look for sales. You might see signs that say, "Buy one, get one free," or BOGO. This means if you buy one item, you get another one free. You may also see a clearance section with discounted items. You can ask, "Is this on sale?" or "Where is the clearance section?" Many American grocery stores also have store apps with digital coupons. You can say, "Do you have an app with coupons?" or "How do I use the digital coupons?" These apps can help you save money on everyday items. At checkout, the cashier might ask, "Did you find everything okay?" You can answer, "Yes, thank you," or "No, I couldn't find something." They may also ask, "Do you need a bag?" In many places, stores charge for plastic bags, usually a small fee. It's common, and better for the environment, to bring your own reusable bags. When it's time to pay, you'll hear, "You can insert, tap, or swipe your card." Just follow the instructions on the screen. And that's it. You've completed a full grocery shopping trip using natural everyday English. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.